You're mothering him. You're making him a Peter Pan. You're responsible for it. Just kidding. You just didn't know. You didn't have the secret. I want you to start telling how you feel. Not what you think, not what you do, not what you accomplish, how you feel about the situation, period. Okay? Men or masculine energy. How many of you guys want to be respected? Hands up. Okay, from now on, you are going to tell your cherished person what you think, what your idea, what is your suggestion, and then you're going to perform in that order, telling them what you want to do and how you feel about it. Is that clear? Yes? Okay, if you want to keep your man, you don't actually mother them, the masculine energy, you don't mother them, you don't baby them, you don't boy them, because they become too Peter Pan. That's what it is. You ask permission, that's the only difference. Being a feminine energy, you ask permission before you do anything. If you're doing it for him, you're mothering him, you're making him a Peter Pan, you're responsible for it. Just kidding. You just didn't know, you didn't have the secret. And then be receptive. Being feminine energy is all about taking within the energy. So being able to receive from him, thanking him, those are the things that you want to be doing. And self-care and being creative is very feminine energy as well. The third secret being in the feminine energy, I want you to raise your hand up. Okay, I want you to put your hand on your heart. I want you to read exactly what it says. Ready? I promise to respect my chosen man.
If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends because sharing is caring. If you want my help in your relationship or dating situation, you can always book a time with me. Check out the link below. To stay in touch, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I post new videos. Please go ahead, hit the like button because it encourages me to create more contents like this every week for you. If you have any ideas for a video, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.